Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of blenders that just can't handle the toughest ingredients? Look no further than the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie Blender. This powerhouse of a blender is designed to make quick work of even the most challenging foods, and its 1100 watt motor is the key to its success. With the Ninja blade system, you can crush ice to snow in seconds and blend tough ingredients with ease, creating smoothies that are silky smooth to the touch and a joy to drink. The total crushing pitcher has a massive 72-ounce capacity, ideal for parties, meal prep, and serving the whole family, and you can hear the blades effortlessly gliding through even the toughest mixtures with a smooth whirring sound. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among those who want a high-quality blender. The on-the-go convenience of being able to blend directly in 16 ounces to-go cups is a game-changer for busy mornings, and the pulse control and dedicated single-serve function give you the precision and control you need to create personalized blends. Whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie or a batch of frozen drinks for a party, this blender is up to the task, and the resulting blends are consistently smooth and delicious. With its powerful motor, easy setup, and high capacity, this blender is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their blending to the next level, and its versatility and convenience make it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.